Okay, Moo, it is time. They got this today. Oh, Moo, right off the bat. They love it, though. I'm very happy they do. Jump up. Moo, is this new? You got a new thing? Oh, people are gonna... Moo. Moo boy, people are going to love this. Vacmoo has a new thing to moo on. Vacmoo. Oh, the tail pops. Everyone loves the tail pop. Here we go, here we go. Mower, lawnmower time. Good girl. Lawnmower. Oh, this is gonna be very funny. I wonder how he's gonna react tomorrow in the morning with food. Wet food. It's happy 6,000 subscribers, you two. You did it. I'm not surprised. You're adorable. Who wouldn't tune in for you? Tail fluff. As you can see, this is where I was talking about that they claw. So far they've been using this. It's been great. They have a lot of things though. They're kind of spoiled. They have like 6 cat towers. We don't really have any furniture. You guys, we're kind of crazy cat people. We have a few chairs and a couple tables. And we do have a bed. Oh, and a nightstand. But that's really about it. Maybe one day I'll give a house tour, even though it's just a main floor, a loft, and their room, the sunroom. Yeah, you guys like it in there? Choo choo choo. Yes, they're completely indoor cats, if you're wondering. I mean, I think you can tell by looking at them. Their coats are immaculate. Like, look at this. It's shining. Oh, that's just impeccable. We've got a little puff going on here. A little puff puff. She's, don't ever touch me when I'm eating. Can I touch Moo Boy? No response. Moo never responds to many things, to be honest. Alright, Moo. I'll leave you to Vacmoo. 2025 edition. Doing pretty well. Not too bad.